Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to include a personal message with your Etsy order? Adding a gift message allows you to send a thoughtful note directly to the recipient, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a gift or add a gift message on Etsy in 2026 quickly and correctly. So first thing first, add item to cart. So for example, let's choose any item. Let's say this one. Okay, so we chose this one. So item moves to your cart. Okay, so add it to cart, like for example this. Open your cart now, like this. Tap or click cart's icon as I did. Review your order, for example this one. Okay, as you can see here. Confirm product details. Okay, mark order as a gift, so it is not a normal item, it's a gift. Okay, so you have to find it, you find the gift option, because not, I think not all the items are considered as a gift in this shop. So inside the cart, check this order is a gift options become available. So gift message option appears only after enabling gift mode. Okay, so enter your gift message, find add gift message box, type your message, and for example type happy birthday, hope you love this gift, and keep message clear and short. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.